Okay, this video is about product rule. So let's learn the rule first. Product rule is when you have two particular functions. So you would have maybe an f of x with another function, we'll call it g of x. This is a very technical form of a rule, so don't stress too much about it. What we do is we represent the very first function of x as u, the very second function as v. Now, you also need to understand that this is one function of x multiplied by another function of x. The product rule states that you differentiate the very first one, you leave the second version, and you add the derivative of the second function, and you leave your very first function. So u dash v plus v dash u. So let's actually have a look at a question. Y equals x plus 3 multiplied by 2x squared minus 6x. Okay, so can you see we've got one function of xe multiplied by another function of xe. Represent this as u, represent this as v. What's the formula? First write that down. U dash v plus v dash u. A good way to remember it is u before v in the alphabet. So differentiate u first, then leave v, differentiate v of course, leave u. Okay, y dash equals. What's the derivative of x plus 3? Obviously that is 1 times v. v is 2x squared minus 6x plus v dash. So what's the derivative of this? Well, the derivative of 2x squared is 4x minus the derivative of 6x is 6. Now can you see I've got two terms here? Whenever you've got two terms, you should use brackets. Or more, two or more terms, you should use brackets. Times u, v dash, so this is v dash, times u. u is x plus 3. And you can generally leave it like that, 2x squared minus 6x, or in this case, because they're powers of 1s, we don't want to expand and simplify. 4x squared plus 12x minus 6x minus 18. Your final answer is 6x squared, 2 plus 4. Minus 6 minus another 6 is minus 12. Plus 12 is 0 minus 18. Okay, let's do one other product rule question. Number 2, y equals 6x cubed minus 4 multiplied by 12 minus 3x. Okay, so first thing you do is you label this as u, you label this as v. Y dash equals u dash v plus v dash u. Y dash equals u dash 18 x squared v 12 minus 3x plus v dash. What's the derivative of 12? It's nothing. What's the derivative of negative 3x? That's minus 3. Note how I still use brackets because I know it's going to be multiplied by two terms here. 6x cubed minus 4. Just have a look at this in a different color. So this was u dash v, v dash u. Okay, final answer. Let's expand and simplify. Okay, so 18 times 12 is 216x squared minus 18x squared times negative 3x is 54x cubed minus negative 3 times 6x cubed is negative 18x cubed. Negative and a negative makes a positive. See how I'm just ignoring this because it's a positive? I'm more interested in this sign. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Final answer. Please simplify. Negative 54 minus 18 obviously gives us negative 60. Negative 54 minus 18 should give us 72. 60. Exactly right. Negative 72. Don't know what was happening there. x cubed plus 216 x squared plus 12. Hope that video helps.